All right, Krista, we made it safely home, northern Michigan. We're getting them out. Robin, just
Yes.
take them out.
Okay.
Just take them out towards the light or whatever.
All right.
Oh,
You want me to just tip it sideways?
I wanted to, like, get them out.
All right. Come on out, babies.
I can't see anything.
I know, I'm trying. You here, babies. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on.
All right, maybe we can try it towards the food next time in the water, because that was the whole point of doing it down there.
They're all sleepy.
Hey, baby guys. Actually, these are all girls.
Hi, babies. Wakey, wakey.
All right, here we go. The next batch.
Come on, baby. Come on. Try to be gentle. Oh, goodness, you guys.
Let's go ahead and put it right there at the end of there, Katie. Yep. Right over there. Watch your feet.
Oh my God, it's wonderful. Is it going to be too hot for right here?
No.
No.
It needs to be 90 degrees.
Are they just like sleepy?
Yeah, they've also been on a 600-mile road trip just now.
Oh my God, the madness begins.
Robin, watch your butt.
That was good. Oh, the edge of the yellow?
All right, we'll go ahead and grab the boxes out. And Kristen, here's your chickens. Thank you very much to you and the staff at Rural King in Decatur, Illinois. Thank you very much. Bye. And here we go, basket number 1. Got 26 of these, so.
You guys are just adorables.
And another pallet. Just whatever you do, don't move your knees. Hey, Robin. Floofies.
Baby flukes.
Oh, Robin's already got a little friend. Zoomies. They're zooming.
They are.
They are zooming. Boy, they're zooming. Cackle Hatchery, your chickens have made it back to northern Michigan that we picked up today, and they're all perfectly healthy. And they're just zooming and getting ready to eat and drink. And so it begins. There's another 100 for the mill. Oh, they're zooming around trying to fly.
They are. They're being so cute.
We got one. They're drinking.
Yeah.
They're drinking over there.
That's awesome.
Excellent. Oh, this is nuts.
Give me a kitty. Food for ya.
Yep.
They all quieted down when they heard the recording sound from their phone. You hear it? Oh my goodness, they're just too sweet.
Watch your feet. They're under your feet.
Yep.
All right. When you're down there, why don't you walk out? Try to get out this way.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's pretty full over there now. And here's a white Jersey Giant bunch.
Oh goodness.
Go ahead and hand that to your mom to put in there. They are using the taps. Robin,
Yeah.
they're teaching each other to use the taps. Jocelyn, smile. What'd you just put in there, honey? Floofs.
Baby flutes. Lots of baby flutes.
Oh.
Look at them, they're so tiny.
And right here, with the fry pan special, you get 5 free exotic chicks with every 100. And we have no idea what they're going to be. I have a sneaking suspicion there's some white jerseys in there, but this should be interesting to find out what they've become. Alrighty, put them in. Just softly bend over and dump them out real slowly like. Oh, you didn't turn on the light. Alright. Come on, floofies. Nice and easy. Oh, you just don't want to go, do you? Trust me, you want to go.
Oh, sweet.
One more box.
Woohoo!
There's the last melon, so to speak. Let me go over behind you. Do-si-do, switch around. Definitely warm enough.
Oh, yeah. Let's go with the fire. Hooray. You little babies.
Alright, just stop the video.
Well, there they are at the end of the day. They started out at Cackle Hatchery in Lebanon, Missouri this morning. Made the drive literally through tornadoes. That was not fun, by the way. Hope you've seen the video of the drive. All the way to northern Michigan. 2,350 chickens, and we only had 3 that we lost. Outstanding. And we look forward to everybody joining us on this journey. Oh my goodness. What have we done?